Hello and welcome back to our series. We are performing examples here. Now I want to perform some example on matrices. We have transposed the matrix in previous video, and while we study about 2D array, matrix are 2D arrays. Now I want to add two matrices. For first I want to enter two array. I will make two array here, three here actually. Int a I will make 10 and 10. This is first. This is b should be also 10 and 10. The order of the array should be same to perform addition and subtraction, because we cannot add other element in the array because we add corresponding element of the array. Let's make C of same order 10 and 10. And I will make I comma j for looping here, and we will add. That's all. I will print message here, enter the order of first array, first matrix. Sorry, I have to scan it. I will make and then n, sorry, percentage d and %n. I have to add it here too. I will use this variable for 2 times because we are going to, let's make order of the matrices because we should have same order here. That we have to order of the means we have two variable m and n. We will take m and n because there may be different number of rows and columns, but the rows and columns should be same in both. I will scan. I will print again, printf, enter row number of rows, I will give line break here, and I will copy this for, sorry, I will scan here, scanf percentage d %m. I will copy this to v, this is up to n. Let's enter the element for I, and I will print here, printf, enter the element of first array matrix for I is equal to, I will use from 1, sorry, I will use from here 1, I is less than or equal to m, and I will be increment. Let's again make for loop. We use for loop in here j is equal to 1 and j will run up to nth position and will increment. Let's simply printf enter I will pass here percentage d, here also percentage d, here I will do nothing, printf. I will simply pass here one numeric value, so in the position I will pass ai comma j, the position of aij. It will be similar for second matrix too. Let's copy and paste it so we can save the time. Second array, it will be b. Let's print, let's make third array first. For I is equal to 1, I is less than m, same we have to make the same. Why to write so much code and waste time? Let's make it. Here we need not to print it, sorry, here we have to scan it, cn scanf, here also scanf, here we need not this value to, let's make c I and j value would be same as a I comma j addition to b I comma j. This is how we will make, and I will print this value. It will be printf percentage d. You can directly print this way also here, but I have done this too. D comma, I will just pass this flex, control V, I don't need it. I will print here line break to make in next row, in next line. Let's save it and run it. I will give only 2 into 3. What this happen? I may done something wrong here. I have done same here, and what has been getting here? Scanf, and I have not passed here. Now I will get here I comma j, same I would have to pass here, where it is here to be. Let's run it. I should get 2 comma 3. Yes, I have get it. 1. It has been terminated here, means some mistake had been done here. Less than n. It is right now what mistake is done by me. It is not running to this again. I comma j, I have scanned it, but I have not give it ampersand, control S. Let's run it. I will enter 2 comma 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Why I am getting 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14. Why I have get it? It is not stopping here. I have to look at 8. Why this is happening here? Is less than m. We have to run up to m, and why it is running up to that point? So we have getting this at that position I plus plus less than m. Let's try to build and run it again. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is again running here. It is giving me 6, 7, 8. I will 10, and it is running to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it is running and running and running. What is happening here? I will know the reason here. Have to know reason here, why it's happening here. Yes, I, j, and that's it is I is equal to 1. We have ss here, j is equal to 1 here. Either it is not scanning properly or something here. Some mistake is here. I will correct and run it. As I have got the mistake here, instead of j I have again increasing I, so I was increasing and increasing and increasing, but j was not increasing. So this is I and this should be j. Every time I have to do that, so it was printing only one position of j and j here. There may be some mistake here. I should make it 3, 2, 1. It's not running here. This is n%. Here maybe n% here. Let's run it. Run it. I should get 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Second element I will enter 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the result how we will get, but I want to make tab here. I have not used tab here, so I have get in same order. First of all, I want to print both matrix 2 so that I will get the result. Let's see, control, I will print f first matrix /n. I will paste it and I will change here sirf a, and again I will make same this, control V. This is second matrix, second, and this will be B, and here I will print here result after addition. Let's run it. Two comma 3 I will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 8 7 6 5 4 as we have get here. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. We can make more here. I will again so that you will be sure that it is same answer. I will enter 2 into 2 columns, 1 3 5 7 and 8. I will make this 2 again and 4 and 1 again. Let's see that 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. This is the right answer. This is how we can multiply, and we can subtract here too. We can just pass where our subtraction was here. We can just pass minus sign here and we can run it. But this is not applicable in multiplication. Matrix multiplication can be carried differently, and division also we can carry it differently. 2 comma 3 I will pass only 2. Sorry, I will pass in large value first. 6 and I will pass 1 2 3 4. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. That is how we can add or subtract in the matrix. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet on final example and we will start our C++ and we will move again to Python, because we will do the application of C and C++ later, and we have to move to Python and we have to do some graphic GUI project there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and watch our all series for having a expert in programming. Thank you.